Hey guys, CJ9899 here, and I bring you System Test 40. Okay, so for this system test, we actually have a device that I have not used since System Test 26, I believe. It's either 25 or 26. And just to say, the reason I haven't been on for a while, or uploaded in like 4 days, is because I've been rather busy with other stuff, and I'm also in the process of actually getting a new alarm, which is going to be a pretty cool surprise, and you'll see that for System Test 41. But for now, here's the NFW 50. Earlier today I was having some weird issues where it would show a battery charger fault for like 0.5 seconds, and then it would go back to normal. And other times it would show 27 volt power troubles. But it seems to be working now. This is actually the longest in a while that it's behaved. But if the trouble comes in, don't worry, it'll go back to normal after like 0.5 seconds. It just pops in and pops out. But other than that, it's normal. So for Zone 1 here, actually, this is an expansion. Here, we have, well, here's my 4251. But underneath here, this is my homemade test switch that you used to see up there. And it is now down here. And it's wired in. And this is where the end-of-line resistor is. So it actually makes it easier to take this pull station out of in and out without having to change the resistor. So this acts as both a test switch and an end-of-line resistor plate. Smoke detectors are still the same. I plan to change them sometime soon. Zone 2, here we have my simplex 2099 T-bar. So I basically just switched. That used to be over here, and this used to be over there, but I just switched them because I had another 4251 up here, but then I switched it out because there was something going on. It was acting a little funky, so I just decided to put this up. It's not broken, it's just, I think it had to do with how deep the screw terminals are. So, for the notification appliances, here, we have my Edwards 40578T double gang remote strobe. It is 1575, even though it does not say it. It is 1575 enhanced. Yeah, so, for the notification appliance over here, we have this. Yes, my simplex 9840. Horn. 2901-9840. And the system, unlike last time I had this thing do in March time, this time it is going to do code 3. And I was originally going to do 2-stage, but 2-stage is either 3 minutes or 5 minutes, and I figured that would be a little too long for this video. So I just kept it on temporal. So, and by the way, I am joined by
System Fire 2.0.
Yeah, you see his little board there. He's got a special surprise coming in a couple days. Oh, and all this stuff here is just a setup that I may try to fix eventually. This thing is having problems. But, so, I guess we will go ahead and actually, we are going to start with Zone 2 back here. So, keys. Yes, I have my 6632 back up. Alright, so here we go. And 3, 2, 1. So I had a bit of electrical tape over that when it was doing the random troubles. I'm actually going to keep it on there for now because the piezo is rather annoying. Alright, I have audible silence off, just to make it a little more realistic for these kind of systems that may have been like replicated back in the 90s. Alright, re-alarm. Alright, now we will go in and test one of these smoke detectors, and I'm actually going to do walk test and demonstrate the key switch, or the test switch. So let me get my magnet here, and we'll do the older Edwards one. Here we go. Okay, so I'm now going to reset the system, and I'll cut to when it is time to do walk test. So, bear with me. Now it is in walk test, and we will go ahead and do this. You ready, Jack? Alright, here we go. Alright, let's go ahead and test this smoke detector. Final one for walk test. There we go. Alright, that's walk test, ceiling smokes, back of room, by exit door. Oh, let's reset. Okay, so that has been system test 40. System test 41 will probably be maybe mid to end of this week. But yeah, this is CJ999 signing off, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.